A 1958 Metropolitan. It's a coupe. It's red and white, as you can see. And we have a red and white convertible also. Without getting service work done on it. It should be done shortly. We keep saying that. Sometimes it takes a little longer than we think. Anyway, this is a good looking little car. It runs and drives great. Andrew's driven it more than I have, and I think he thinks it just runs just fine. It's all stock, which has got the little 4-cylinder engine in it with a 3-speed transmission on the tree. And they go to the trunk through the back seat there. It comes down. And of course you can see it's got the spare tire there on the back. These are neat little cars. I've sold a lot of them over the years. Some of them way worse than this. So, but they're fun cars and people like them. That gives you a chance to see the whole car. It's at Draeger's International Classic Sales in Burlington, Washington, on our turntable right now. Now you can see the sides of this little Metropolitan. It's real straight and nice. It's not a show car by any manner of means, but boy, it's a nice rig. Runs good, drives good. And that nice little straight car, red and white, looks really good on it. Let's take a walk under this Metropolitan. You can see how nice the chrome is on the bottom side. It's not peeling or coming apart or discolored. This car is in great shape. I mean, it's not a restored car, but it's been repainted at one time. This is kind of ugly back here, but the fenders and everything, they're all in great shape. They're all solid, a little crusty up in there, but for the most part, this thing's all nice and clean. I mean, it looks like a good, clean, new gas tank. Recently, I couldn't tell you when that was done, but it looks fairly new. This passenger side rear quarter seems just a solid too. You don't see anything on the insides of them that look like they've been cut or anything. I don't see any patchwork in this car anywhere. Got good tires on it. Everything's painted up nicely. There's the rear end. So here is the battery box, and it's the only spot that I've seen that's got any kind of corrosion anywhere. I'll show you the rest of the floor pans. I mean, there's nothing that shows up at all. There's the passenger side floor pan. Everything's nice and solid. I'll take another pass at it, but I just wanted to give you a good overview. But there's nothing that shows up that's looks patched anywhere. Rockers are in great shape. I mean, you can see some. They didn't really finish the paintwork down below on the rockers, but it's all solid. There's a kind of a questionable spot on this passenger side here, but it looks good all the way along until you get all the way up to the front. That's right there. It just looked like some body work right there that curved over this edge. They just didn't clean it off because it was down on the bottom where nobody'd see it. But look at those floor pans. Not a cut or a hole or anything in them. Very solid old Metro. Runs good, drives good. Bottom of the transmission. Again, it's got good rubber all the way around, and tires got lots of tread on them. Not much that I can point out on this car, but it's all good and solid here. Front inner fenders are about the same. They're just kind of crusty and unpainted. But there's no corrosion anywhere. So, neat little car. There's another view looking back. Oh, there's an electric fuel pump back there over the top of the rear end. Anyway, it's a fun little car.
You can see it has a black and white interior in it. The dash is real clean and straight. It's a decent car. I mean, this is the back seat right here, so you can see front and back there. And of course, it's got this neat little 4-cylinder Austin engine in there. It runs great. So Draeger's is in Burlington, Washington. It's a great spot. It got a lot of things to see. You should come see it.